Hey my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing so incredible today. I'm going to be doing a beauty review, which has probably been a review that's been most requested. I think a lot of you are missing my beauty reviews, which I completely understand. So I will be doing a lot more beauty reviews on my channel in the coming weeks. I've got a few skincare reviews, I'll still be doing my vlogs. And to be honest, it's quite sad. I think this actually may be one of the last videos I do in this house. Well, today I'm going to be reviewing two of the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Super Nude lipsticks. You know I'm a huge Charlotte Tilbury fan. I mean, I have a load of her lipsticks here. I've got a load in my beauty bag. I've got so many beauty bags. I've got loads of her lipsticks. I'm a huge fan. She's just launched 4 new super nude lipsticks. I'll tell you what they're called. So the super nudes, 4 shades. We have Catwalking, Cover Star, Super Fabulous and Supermodel. I went with the 2 that I thought would look best for me. What I will do is insert here the other ones and I'll show you on Cult Beauty where I bought these from so you can have a look. I got this from Cult Beauty because they were running a 20% off Charlotte Tilbury, so I thought, bargain, I need to go and buy those lipsticks. So the 2 shades I purchased was Catwalking, which is, well, I'll show you from my hand anyway, Catwalking and Super Fabulous. And I thought these would be the 2 that would suit me the most. I felt that, which I could be wrong because I haven't seen it, but Cover Star looked like it would be a bit too light for me. And I have a shade already that looks like Supermodel because it's very similar looking from the picture to Pillow Talk 2 or Bond Girl by Charlotte Tilbury. So if you want to know what Pillow Talk 2 and Bond Girl look like, I'll insert the videos above for you because I have done 2 different videos using those lipsticks, so I will insert them above. So the first thing I'll do is swatch these. As always, gorgeous Charlotte Tilbury packaging. I also love the nude packaging that she has for this collection. This is what Catwalking looks like. I think it's perfect for like an all year round colour, but it's definitely wonderful for autumn. And then we'll go to Super Fabulous, which looks a little bit redder on the packaging, but it actually is a little bit darker. Reminds me a little bit of Birkin Brown. But that is what Super Fabulous looks like. If you want to know what I mean by Birkin Brown, this is Birkin Brown, but it's a little bit darker, see? Birkin Brown's like a more intense shade to Super Fabulous. I feel like it's probably the next shade to it. It's lovely, great for autumn. There we are. So I'm just going to try them on. So I'm going to zoom you in. I haven't tried these on before. Let's go to Catwalking first. So I have nothing on my lips. I've got like a lip balm on, but it's clear. So that is what Catwalking looks like. I really like that shade. I think it's just a really nice nude. It's actually better than the Pillow Talk nude, and I like Pillow Talk nude. I really do like Pillow Talk nude, but that is a lot better than Pillow Talk nude. So now let's try Super Fabulous. So I've just wiped all that off. Right, so this is Super Fabulous. Wow, that's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be on, but this is Super Fabulous. I feel like with a lip liner this would look unbelievably stunning, but I don't think they have a lip liner in. I really love the colour of this actually. It's very autumnal. Not one that I would maybe wear all year round. Well, knowing me, I probably would, but it's probably not a shade that you would want to wear all year round. It's very much a autumn, winter, autumnal, that kind of intense nude shade. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful on. I think it would suit all skin tones as well, which is just perfect. And I do think that's maybe where she was going with the nudes. I think it could be a nude depending on your skin tone. Obviously, if you're a lot darker skin, this could be a really nice shade for you in terms of a nude lipstick. But if you're, you know, a lot lighter skin than I do, this could be a really intense lip that you could do with like really kind of just great mascara, very natural skin, but just with a power lip. Beautiful. So those are both the shades. I personally love them. Maybe Catwalking will be one that I'll wear more of an everyday lipstick, and this one would be more that I would wear closer to like end of October, November, like closer to Christmas time. I also think I'd probably wear this more on a night out than I would do the lighter lipstick, which is more of like a day wear. So these are both matte lipsticks. They're both matte. I know that Charlotte Tilbury has a few different options in terms of lipsticks. These are both matte lipsticks, but they don't feel drying on the lips. They're meant to be super long lasting as well. My oven's going off. Oh God. It's always something. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you some insight into the super nudes of Charlotte Tilbury. I'm sorry I don't have all four, just because the other two I don't really think I would use as much. So I hope you found this very, very useful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!